How did MrBeast get 100 million views in just 24 hours? What made him the most subscribed YouTube channel? Most importantly, how on earth did an 11-year-old kid with a laptop turn into a billionaire and the king of YouTube? Let's find out. MrBeast, known as Jim Donaldson, went from making videos in his tiny room to building a $100 million empire just from YouTube. Yes, but it was not luck, it was a secret formula. And today, I am going to review his strategy. Before MrBeast was the biggest YouTuber on the planet, before the millions, before the crazy challenges and beast games, before people called him a genius, he was just a kid with a dream and zero clue what he was doing. Jimmy Donaldson started his YouTube channel at 11 years old. No fame, no money, no fancy equipment, just a kid in a small town in North Carolina, pressing record and hoping anyone would watch. But nobody did. Back then, YouTube was not what it is now. There were no career YouTubers, no big sponsorship deals, no kids saying I want to be a YouTuber when I grow up. YouTube was not even cool. In fact, telling people you made YouTube videos in middle school meant you were going to face instant embarrassment. But Jimmy didn't care. He loved YouTube. While other kids were playing outside or doing homework, he was glued to his screen, studying the platform. He would watch videos, analyze trends, and figured out what worked. At that time, he was not making videos for fun, but trying to understand the system. He was just 11, let that sink in. Now, you would think with that kind of dedication, success will come fast, right? Wrong. His early videos, let's just say, not great. Yeah, I can say not great. He had no microphone, not even microphone like this Shure microphone that I'm using. The quality was terrible. There was bad lighting. It was just him talking over the video game clips, trying to sound like the big YouTubers he admired. But no one watched, no one cared. Still, he kept going. By 13, he was obsessed, not in a fun hobby way, but in a this is my whole life way. He started uploading every single day. Still no views. Wow, there's no views? And still no money. He made $0 for years, but he refused to stop. And then he uploaded one video that changed everything. It was 2018 and Jimmy was 18 years old. By then, he had spent years testing different types of content, including gaming, commentary, random challenges. Nothing was really taking off. Then he tried something different. One day, he uploaded a video where he counted to 100,000. Yes, literally sat there and counted for 40 hours. Unexpectedly, the video blew up. Millions of people watched it. People could not believe he actually did it. It was stupidly simple but oddly addictive to watch. That is when he found the secret. If you do something no one else is willing to do, people will watch. Yes. People will continue to watch. They won't stop. The viral video was his first real taste of success. He saw the spike in views, the surge in subscribers, and he took notes. What made it work? Why did people click? Why did they stay? Yes, he was thinking of that. In a way, he studied his own success, and then, instead of celebrating, he doubled down. He followed up with more extreme challenges like washing paint dry, reading the dictionary, saying someone's name 100,000 times. He realized that crazy endurance challenges got attention. He kept pushing the limits, seeing how far he could take it. But he didn't just rely on stunts. He improved everything: his editing, his thumbnails, his storytelling. Every video got better, faster, sharper. And just like that, the views kept growing. The subscribers kept coming. The videos were getting crazier, the ideas bigger, and then came the hyper obsession. Before I tell you what he did in that phase, make sure to hit subscribe if you want exponential influx of money, just like MrBeast. Don't worry about the how, I teach you that. Now, back to the topic. MrBeast became obsessed with creating viral content. He was obsessed not in a work little extra kind of way. No, he lived, breathed, and ate YouTube. One of his biggest secrets is that he has surrounded himself with people just as obsessed as he is. When he was still a small creator, he found 4 other YouTubers who were also serious about growing. Sorry if I called the name, they were Christizing. Sorry if I pronounce the name, just take it like that. And I remember Chandler, Allo, Garrett, Ronalds, and Jake Franklin. Yeah. Every day for 1,000 days straight, these 5 got on Skype calls and talked only about YouTube, what worked, what didn't, and what made the video go viral. They run experiments like analyzing thumbnails, pacing, retention, titles, everything, blah blah blah. Yes, they broke down the most successful videos on the platform and figured out why people clicked and why they stayed. MrBeast claimed that he tested how often a camera should cut to keep people engaged. He analyzed what thumbnail colors made people click. He studied video pacing, which means how fast things need to happen to keep viewers from leaving. He figured out the perfect title structure for maximum curiosity. Everything was measured, tweaked, and improved. He didn't leave anything to chance. MrBeast says this all the time. If you want to be great at something, you have to live it, and he did. For years, he had no social life, no distractions, just YouTube. More than 15 hours a day. It sounds extreme. Because it was. But he always says, if you put in 10,000 hours, you will be good. If you put in 40,000, you will be the best. MrBeast figured out the most YouTubers fail for the same reasons. They make boring content. If a video does not grab attention in the first 5 seconds, people click away. He works on making every second count. Either this or they don't study what works. Most creators just upload and hope. But MrBeast says he studied trends, tested ideas, and made data-driven decisions. He also said that most creators fail because they give up too early. He went years without success, but he knew that if he kept improving, it would eventually work. Yes, his mindset is that every fake video is a lesson. Now, there's another tactic he used in initial days. In fact, he still uses it in some way even now. Yes, you might have noticed that when most YouTubers start making money, they save it. But MrBeast has a habit. He used to spend it all. Every dollar he earned from YouTube, he put right back into his videos by getting better equipment, bigger challenges, crazier ideas. That is why his content kept getting better. He knew that if he reinvested every penny, he would grow faster, and it worked. Even today, he does the same. We saw him conducting a real-life Squid Game where he spent over $3.5 million recreating the set from Squid Game and gave away $456,000 to the winner. We saw him conduct a $1 million influencer tournament. Heck, he literally bought an island and gave it away as a prize in a challenge. Wow, who does that? That is MrBeast. Only someone willing to put every dollar back into their content. There are many more examples. We might even lose count. It all comes down to his secret formula. He says that he has figured out how to go viral on purpose. First of all, he says thumbnails and titles are the most important thing. He never starts a video without a killer title and a thumbnail idea. If those don't grab attention, the video won't get clicked. In fact, his team constantly tests different thumbnails on the same video to see which ones get more clicks. Next, he says he calls out every single boring second so that there is never a dull moment. He also changes things up so people don't get bored. For example, new location, new stakes, new twist, and then, of course, challenges. Oh, Biggs. Challenges so crazy that people are tempted to click on that thumbnail to know what happened next. Today, MrBeast is a huge success with over 350 million subscribers, being one of the biggest creators in the world, with over 106.9 million followers on TikTok and a net worth of $1 billion. It is safe to say that he has made it. Now, it is your turn. If you want to make money online, whether it is working from home full-time or just any extra income, check out the Stanstore link in the description. You will find everything you need to get started. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. You're welcome.